Hey guys, let's just work smarter, not harder. Let's just go by the manual, just go by the instructions, and we will never, ever, ever have to cycle through the 6 different settings ever again. So if anyone ever tells you that the Garrett carrot is inferior to other pinpointers because the whole probe is sensitive, and when you stick this in the hole, there's an issue finding the target because of the constant beep. Well, that's because they don't go by the instructions. They don't go by the manual where on page 4, it tells you to quick press, which is the fast retuning. It desensitizes it. It lowers the sensitivity so that you can narrow the target. It says precisely pinpointing large targets. I wish that was in bold because I'm pretty sure that like the majority of people that own a Garrett carrot don't use the fast retuning. It's just a quick press because they're not aware of it, because they maybe read the manual and they forgot about it, like me. Yeah, but anyway, so please tell everyone that you know. So, yeah, so a lot of pinpointers are not sensitive all along the probe. They're only sensitive on the dip. But I do believe that pinpointers that are sensitive along the whole probe are better because when you're swiping around, like in the hole and stuff, I believe it's more ergonomic. Correct me if I'm wrong. And there's no issues with the wrist. And there's no issues with the whole probe being sensitive because you can always quick press to detune it and you get right to the target. So I will demonstrate, but first I want to tell you something. If you want to grab a t-shirt like this, if you like it and you want one for yourself, check the description box. I had it designed and it's printed at a printing company and it's sent to you directly. There's another color and they're 100% cotton. I like this one because it's good to wear in the hot sun because it reflects the rays. Okay, now to demonstrate. By the way, start with setting 3. I think you should always have the Garrett carrot on setting 3. It's the highest setting. The way to remember that is me 3. When you turn this on and off, it remembers the setting. So you should never have to cycle through the 6 different settings. So let me turn this on. Okay. So when it gets close enough to constant beep, I'm going to quick press it and you'll see that it will silence it and desensitize it. And then I can go in further to narrow the target. Here we go. Quick press. Do you see that? Now I'm going to detune it completely. Quick press. See, it's completely detuned. It's like right on it. So I'm going to reverse that. I'm going to back up and quick press. See? If you want to reverse it completely, stick the pinpointer in the opposite direction and quick press. Or point it away from any metal. Turned it off. So yeah, if you have any questions, complaints, comments, whining, debating, that's all welcome on the comment section. But let's all be friends. I want us to all be friends. I want us to all learn from each other. And let's keep our emotions at bay. And let's just reason about the facts. All right, check you later. Bye.